Let's see the use of is, am, are, do, does, has, have according to these subjects. I am. You is plural in form, so with plural subjects we use are. You are, they are, we are. He is a singular subject, and with singular subjects we use is. He is, she is, it is. Do, does. I do. You is plural in form, so we use do with plural subjects. You do, they do, we do. He is singular subject, so with singular subjects we use does. He does, she does, it does. Let's see has, have. I always have. You always have, because you is plural in form, and with plural subjects we use have. They have, we have. He is singular subject, so we use has. He has, she has, it has. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.